Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, configuring pricing, tax, and product pickup settings. In this video, I will show you how to configure pricing, taxes, and product pickup settings in WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Next, click the Shipping tab and select Local Pickup Plus. Scroll down to the Pricing and Tax section. Let's set up pickup price adjustments. You can add a fee for pickup or give a discount for your store's pickup locations. Configure the tax settings. Enable pickup location tax to apply taxes based on the pickup location, not the customer's billing address. Once the details are added, click Save Changes. Now go to Products and click All Products. Edit a product. Once in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click the Shipping tab. Navigate to the Local Pickup field. Choose one of the following options: can be picked up. Customers can choose shipping or pickup. Cannot be picked up. Item must be shipped. Must be picked up. Item must be collected from a pickup location. Once the settings are edited, scroll up and click the Update button. Now, go to Products and click on Categories. Edit a category and navigate to Local Pickup. Choose one of the following options. Can be picked up. Customers can choose shipping or pickup. Cannot be picked up. Item must be shipped. Must be picked up. Item must be collected from a pickup location. Once the details are added, scroll down and click the Update button. We have successfully added category level settings. That's it. You have now configured pricing, taxes, and product pickup settings. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.